In this video, we are going to look into the process of photosynthesis. Photosynthesis happens in the chloroplast that exists in plant cell. This is the structure of the chloroplast. It has double membrane, one outer membrane and one inner membrane. The chloroplast is filled with liquid known as the stroma. Suspended in the stroma is a structure known as the thylakoid. Photosynthesis takes place in two stages: the light reaction that happens in the thylakoid and Calvin cycle, also known as the dark reaction that happens in the stroma. In this part of the video, we are going to look at the light reaction. Now let's zoom into this part of the thylakoid membrane. This is the phospholipid bilayer of the thylakoid membrane. Inside the thylakoid membrane, there are two complexes known as the photosystems. Photosystem 2 comes before photosystem 1. Each photosystem consists of an inner layer known as the reaction center complex. The outer layer is known as the light harvesting complex. This is where you can find all the chlorophylls: chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, and carotenoids. Inside the reaction center complex, there is a structure known as the primary electron acceptor that accepts electrons from a special pair of chlorophyll A. Each one of the chlorophyll A in the special pair in PS2 is also known as the P68T, whereas the chlorophyll A in PS1 is also known as the P700. Now we are going to look into the process. During the day, energy from the sunlight is absorbed by the chlorophylls that are present in the light harvesting complexes in both photosystems. The energy absorbed by one pigment is going to be transferred to the next pigment, the next, and the next. This transfer of energy finally reaches the special pair of chlorophyll A in the reaction center complex of both photosystems. This excites the electrons in this pair of chlorophyll to a higher energy state. The electron is then transferred to the primary electron acceptor. P68T, now missing an electron, is now known as P680+. The same applies to P700, which now becomes P700+. This loss of electrons from each photosystem must be replenished. PS2 gains its electron from a process known as photolysis. In photolysis, one molecule of water is hydrolyzed by enzymes into two hydrogen ions, half oxygen gas, and two electrons. The electrons are supplied one by one to the pair of P680+. P680+ is now reduced and become P68T. So what happened to the electrons in the primary electron acceptor earlier?